Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make a public YouTube account. First, you'll need a Google account. If you already have one, simply sign into YouTube. If not, it's easy to create a new Google account, which will then be automatically linked to your YouTube channel. This is the essential first step to getting your content out there for everyone to see. Once you're signed in, it's time to set up your channel. You'll be prompted to create a channel name. Choose something memorable that reflects your content. Then, personalize your channel by adding a profile picture and a banner image. Don't forget to write a clear and engaging channel description to tell viewers what your channel is all about. Now for the exciting part, uploading your first video. Look for the Create button, usually a camera icon, and select Upload Video. Choose your video file from your computer or mobile device. While it's uploading, you can add a catchy title, a detailed description, and relevant tags to help people discover your content. Before publishing, ensure your video's visibility is set to public so everyone can watch it. Select an eye-catching thumbnail. It's crucial for attracting clicks. Once published, share your video across your social media and other platforms to reach a wider audience. Congratulations, your public YouTube account is now active and ready for viewers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.